Welcome to Positive Change.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to remain free from hurry. Instead of automatically thinking more as a response to a difficult situation, try taking some time to think about it. This gives you a chance to turn things around and get back on track with your business. This technique of creating a moment of peace to think positive and powerful thoughts can help clear the mind of any unnecessary thoughts and focus on the important things. Start your day with a morning meditation showered in the name of God, and you will see how much more refreshed you will feel. In the morning, it's easier to focus our thoughts and make them silent by meditating. Doing so can positively affect the whole day because of the freshness that's produced by doing this at that time. You'll also be able to focus more on your tasks and work more efficiently. We usually don't notice when there is something coming up in life. It requires more from us than what we are used to on a daily basis. Such a situation hurried you even though you expected it to come up. The feeling of being overwhelmed is sometimes unavoidable, but never fails to end a wait for you. It can be hard to find the time to do everything within a tight schedule. However, we need to be patient and get creative with our tasks instead of sticking with the routine and scrambling around. This will help us avoid having an air of panic in the office, which would lower productivity levels. Loved ones are really important. Sometimes we spend too long looking at screens and need to swap for something more meaningful. If you're feeling like nothing is happening in your day, it's time to go for a walk with a friend or read a book. The more time we spend looking at TV, the more we care about things that are happening on TV. We see this all the time on TV, with how various people are exposed to new components of society and other people's worries. It's not uncommon for us to start worrying about things that aren't issues for us personally. Sending out positive thoughts has been shown to have a significant effect on the health of those around us. It is important to read, talk, and listen with optimism so we can inspire others and shape our own feelings around positive change. We'll get back to you in the next video with more refreshing or new content for you. You are always welcome to share your comments and suggestions to improve our content. Don't forget to subscribe to never miss a video. Good day.